Hi friends, welcome or welcome back. Pizza is probably most people's favorite food pastime. I love happy experimental recipes like this, especially when they result in a zero-carb keto pizza crust that is absolutely delicious and provides a boost of antioxidants and fiber thanks to the blend of lupin flour and King Arthur keto wheat flour blend. Plus, this recipe is perfect for meal prep, so you can make several pie crusts ahead of time, or go ahead and make the full-on pizza with sauce, cheese, and toppings, and then seal that off and freeze it so that you can have a keto-friendly pizza any night of the week, reheated and ready to serve in minutes. There is a link to all the ingredients used in the description box and a link to the recipe where you can scale and print the macros and measurements up to 3x on the blog, thelowcarbsweetspot.com. You can follow the order shown as a general rule when processing dough in a bread maker. Start by adding your liquids, then salt, sweetener, and seasonings. Go ahead and layer in your flour and any other dry ingredients, and then finish by including yeast. Tag me on Instagram at thelowcarbsweetspot.com and share your results if you do give it a try. I'd love to see which toppings you add to your pie. Also, I'll post links to all the products used and a link to print the recipe and scale the measurements and macros up to 3x on the blog, thelowcarbsweetspot.com, in the description box below.